Good morning, it's Andy at Attleborough Centre. Arrived into stock today, this 2013 Vauxhall Adam Glam 1.4 petrol. As you can see, very nice condition. Very nice specification. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, touch screen, panoramic roof, covered just over 56,000 miles. Ideal first car for someone this. Plenty of space. The two-tone paint I think really sets these off. Interior is in lovely condition. Supplied as usual with a minimum 3 months RSC warranty that includes 12 months free roadside cover. Check out our website for more photos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.